I'm William Grantham for ichimokuweather.com with the stock market weather report for Ford Motor Company, January 20th, 2021. Ford is in the consumer cyclical sector and is an auto manufacturer. We take a look at our weekly chart to determine our season, and we are above the clouds, so that means that we are in summertime. Taking a look at the daily chart, we are also above the cloud, as well as the blue line and the red line. Market action is like a hot air balloon, with the buyers turning up the heat, making the balloon go up, and sellers turning down the heat, making the balloon go down. The red line is our jet stream, and the blue line is our wind line. Taking a look at this chart, when we first begin, market action comes out of the cloud, comes up and tests the black line, which is our 200 period simple moving average. It's like our chase truck that's always trying to catch up to price. Being underneath the 200 period simple moving average is a bearish situation. Market action can't get through, comes back down and challenges the top of the cloud, then comes back up again and tries to get above the line without too much success. For quite a ways, the line provides resistance until market action is finally able to get above, but not very long before it falls through the 200 period simple moving average and the cloud itself. At this point, it looks like we're going to have a bearish situation, but then we have a bit of consolidation as market action moves inside the cloud. We then have above average volume day as market action gets above the 200 period moving average and the wind line. Then the next day, we break above the cloud. Now, the cloud is also called the Kumo, and when you have a break above the cloud, it's called a Kumo breakout. And the analogy that we have with our weather is a rainbow. So here we have a nice little Kumo breakout rainbow as price action moves above the red line, the blue line, and the top of the cloud. At this point, our hot air balloon of market price is being pushed up by the wind line and goes up for quite a ways before it stalls just a little bit coming underneath the wind line, but still being supported by the jet stream underneath. Notice we have a very nice channel here between our red line and our blue line. That is a bullish situation, and that continues to push our hot air balloon and market prices up until we get to here where it starts to consolidate again, and then it falls underneath the wind line and comes down and challenges the jet stream and succeeds in passing through it. At this point, when it passes underneath the jet stream, we do see that the wind line is crossing below the jet stream, and that is a bearish situation. Market action comes down and tests the top of the cloud, and this time the top of the cloud does provide support, and with again a little bit above average volume, price action is able to get above the top of the cloud and the wind line. Then we have a very strong push up here as the bulls really turn up the heat. We have a high pressure zone that's pulling our stock up, and we do have a situation where the wind line crosses above the jet stream again, and that is a bullish situation and where we currently find ourselves with this nice big beautiful green candle. Taking a look at our past, we can see the Chico span, which is our green line. It is plotted 26 periods in the past. It's currently free and clear, being above market action and the other lines in the cloud. Whenever you have a free and clear Chico span, that is a sign of momentum to the upside. So this is a good sign for the bulls and for anybody who happens to be trading this stock. Our future forecast does show that we do have a nice green cloud that is forming on the horizon, and that is positive for the bulls as they continue to have this upward climb of momentum. This is the stock market weather report for Ford Motor Company, January 20th, 2021. We currently have a high pressure zone that is creating a desert-like dryness. I'm William Grantham for Ichimoku Weather.